Let me just assemble it. So you've got the nozzle there, and then you've got the actual grill itself, and then inside it you've got these two little wing pieces. So this way up, and you put this piece on and this piece on, and then you have to sort of splay it out a little bit, and you can hear it clicking on one side, and then the same this side. You have to sort of splay it out, and then that's it locked. You can thread this on, and then thread this on. I'm making this look extra difficult. There you go. And then that's it.